In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a table for your conversation in Qwen. So I've just asked Qwen AI to write for me a 2 weeks daily meal for a balanced diet, and it went ahead and did a marvelous job. Wrote for me a 14 days meal plan. As you can see, here it is. Now the problem is I want this information to be in table format, but it just wrote in a list format. Now let me show you how you can convert this information into a table. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. To convert this information into a table, it is pretty simple. The same way we asked Qwen to write for us the plan, we can also ask it to convert this into a table. So I'll just go ahead and ask it to now convert this into a table. So I'll simply ask it this: now convert the above into a table, and here we go. And look at that. So the secret is you can just interact with any of these AI model, be it Qwen, be it ChatGPT, or any other. You can interact with them and they'll go ahead and make the changes that you need, even on any conversation that it gave you. And as you can see, we have here a well-detailed table that Qwen went ahead and made for me. And now from here, I can go ahead and copy it and then paste and use it whenever I want. So that's how you make tables in Qwen. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.